enters the following particulars of his income for the previous year ended 31st 3 2020. Rupees 36,000, 10% tax-free debenture of a company listed on a recognized stock exchange in India. Interest on post office saving bank account rupees 2,000. Rupees 12,000, 12% tax-free commercial securities unlisted. Dividend rupees 7,000 gross from a tea company, 60% of income for the company in agricultural income. Rupees 30,000, 8% port trust bonds. Dividend from a foreign company rupees 4,000. The company deduct at source rupees 1,000. Rupees 15,000, 9% municipal debenture. Winning from lottery, net amount received rupees 21,000. Rupees 2 lakh, 10% debentures of a public limited company not listed. 12,000, 5% debentures of Delhi Development Authority. So let's solve a problem. So sixth problem is computation of taxable income from other source. Okay, there's previous year and assessment year. So 2019 to 2020, 2020 to 2021. Next one is axis C is Mr. J. Status is resident. Particular and amount column. First point is rupees 36,000, 10% tax-free debenture of a company listed on a recognized stock exchange in India. It's taxable and they have given some percentage, that is 10%. So your 36,000 into 10%, how much you will get? 3,600. Okay. So how to write? So tax free debenture of a company. So how you should write? That is 36,000 into 10%. You will get 3,600. Okay, and in questions they have given tax free debenture 10%. So you should calculate TDS. Okay, so that is 3,600 into 100 divided by 90. How you will get? 100 minus 90. You will 100 minus 10. Okay, sorry, 100 minus 10. You will get 90. So 3,600 into 100 divided by 90, you will get 4,000. Okay, just you write 4,000. Okay. Next, second point is interest on post office saving bank account rupees 2,000. It's an exempted. Okay. So your interest on post office saving bank account, okay, rupees point is rupees 12,000, 12% tax-free commercial securities is unlisted. You should calculate TDS. Okay. So, on this tax-free commercial securities. Okay. So, 12,000 into 12%. How much you will get? You will get 1,440. 1,440. Okay. And in question they have mentioned unlisted. So unlisted TDS percent is 10%. Okay. So let's calculate TDS. So 1,440 into 100 divided by 90. How you will get? 100 minus 10, you will get 90. So 1,440 into 100 divided by 90, you will get 1,600. Okay. 1,600. Fourth point is dividend rupees 7,000 gross from a tea company. 60% of the income of a company is agricultural income. It's exempted because here 60% of income from company in agricultural income. So it mentioned like this. So it is an exempted. Okay, like you can write dividend from a tea company. It's an exempted. Fifth point is rupees 30,000, 8% port trust bond. So it's a taxable. Okay. So what is it? Port trust bonds. That is taxable. So what is it? 30,000 into 8%. How much you will get? 30,000 into 8%. You will get 2,400. Okay. Next, sixth point is dividend from a foreign company rupees 4,000. The company deduct a tax source rupees 1,000. So here already they have deducted the source, that is 1,000 is deducted and rest remaining 4,000. It's a taxable. Okay. Dividend from a foreign company, that is 4,000. Okay. Next one is rupees 15,000, 9% municipal debenture. It's a taxable. So municipal debenture, that is 9% municipal debenture. That is 15,000 into 9%. How much you will get? 15,000 into 9%, you will get 1,350. Okay. 1,350 you will get. Next, 8th point is Winning from lottery, net amount received rupees 21,000. So it's a taxable and you should deduct TDS. Winning from lottery, that is net. So that is 21,000. Okay, so 21,000 into 100. The casual income percentage, TDS percentage is 30. So 100 minus 30, you will get 70. So 21,000 into 100 divided by 70, you will get 30,000. Next, ninth problem is 2 lakh 10% debenture of a public company limited. So it's a taxable. So what is that? 10% debenture of a public limited company is, the amount is 2 lakh. So 2 lakh into 10%, you will get 20,000. And the last point is 12,005% debenture of Delhi Development Authority. It's a taxable. So you should do. So what is that? %5 debenture of Delhi Development Authority, that is 12,000 into 5%. So how much you will get? 12,000 into 5%, you will get 600. Okay, and let's calculate how much it will get. So 4,000 plus 6,600 plus 2,400 plus 4,000 plus 1,350 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 600, you will get 63,950. So 63,950. So it's a taxable income from other source. Taxable income from other source. Okay. So last answer you will get taxable income other source, that is 63,950. Okay. Last theory class I have already mentioned the two formats. One is family pension format and subletting format. Okay, let's go through it. What is that subletting portions and family pensions. Okay, for a revise I will just read out. So particular and two amount column. First one is rent from subletted portion. In question they already mentioned subletted portion rent. Okay, for example I will mention here 10,000. Okay, next rent I'll give 5,000. Next municipal I'll give 500. In question they will be already mentioned. This for example I am showing. Next repairs 100. Okay, so your 5,000 plus 500, you will get 5,500 plus 100. So you will get 5,600. Right here amount column. Here 5,600, and you minus it because here less, so that we should minus here. So 10,000 minus 5,600, you will get 4,400. Okay, so this is a taxable income. Like this we calculate based on the format. Like this we will calculate. Next, let's see the family pension format. So particular and to amount column. And actual family pension received in question, they already mentioned actual family pension. Based on that question, based on amount, you classify here. Next one is least of the following. A and B. So 1 by 3. This is important while doing a problem. That is 1 by 3 of actual family pension received. Here how much amount will get? No, that amount into 1 by 3. You will get some certain amount. Okay. Then B. Maximum limit is 15,000. This is very important. 1 by 3 and 15,000. 15,000 is a fixed amount. If you write 14,000 or 16,000, it will be wrong whole. The format will be wrong full. You will not get any mark. So 15,000 and 1 by 3, these 2 points is very important. And see whichever is less. This both you see whichever is less, and that amount you write, and this amount and this amount minus, you will get taxable family pension. Okay, so these two format is very important, and these two format we will solve based on the questions. Okay. Okay, so based on this format, let's see the questions. So, Suresh submits the following details of the of his income for the year ended 31st March 2019. Compute his income for other source for the assessment year 2020 to 2021. He lives in a rented house. He pays a rent of rupees 6,000 per month. He has sublet on 1/3 portion of his house on a rent of rupees 3,000 per month. He has taken the liability of paying municipal tax of rupees 1,500 on the whole house, and also repays for the whole house amounting rupees 600. Income from agricultural land in Bangladesh rupees 20,000. Dividend from UTI rupees 4,000. He holds the following investments: rupees 1,09% tax-free commercial securities not listed. Rupees 30,000 7% debenture of JCT Mills Limited. Rupees 72,000 10% tax-free debentures of Life Insurance Corporations of India listed. 10% UP State Electricity Board bonds 10,000. Interest on Postal Savings Bank account rupees 1,000. Honorism received for writing articles of magazines rupees 1,000. He is an examiner of a number of universities. He received rupees 10,000 as remuneration. So based on this, let's solve a problem. So first one is computation of taxable income from other source. So computation of taxable income from other source. So previous year and assessment year. (2020 to 2021), and axis C is Suresh. Status: resident. So particular amount column. Yeah. So he lives in a rented house. He pays a rent of rupees 6,000 and he has subletted on 1/3 of his portion on the rent is 3,000 per month, and he has undertaken his liability of paying municipal tax rupees 1,500 on the whole house. Also he repays the whole house amounting rupees 6,000. So here rent, okay, rent for house is 3,000. So 3,000 per month they have given. So 3,000 into 12. So income from subletting. I told the format, right? Based on we will apply from here. So income from subletting. That is 3,000. So 3,000 into per month they have mentioned. So per month is 12 months. Okay. So you will get 36,000. Okay. Next they have given repaid paid. How much? That is 6,000 and they mentioned per month. So 6,000 into 12 you will get less rent paid. That is 6,000 into 12, okay, per month, and they have mentioned that is 1/3 of the portions. So you should mention 1/3 of portions. So how much you will get? That is 6,000 into 12 into 1/3, because in question they have mentioned 1/3. So you will get 24,000. After that municipal tax they have mentioned. The amount is 1,500 and it's a 1/3 by portion. So municipal tax in bracket 1,500 into 1/3. How much you will get? So 1,500 into 1 divided by 3, you will get 500. Next one is repays. In question they have mentioned repays. Amount is 6,000 and 1/3 of portions. Repays of the house. In question they have mentioned 6,000 into 1/3. So 6,000 into 1/3 you will get 2,000 and just minus it, how much you will get. Okay, from 36,000 minus 24,000 minus 500 minus 2,000, you will get 9,500. After calculating you will get 9,500. So first point is over. And next point is income from agricultural land in Bangladesh rupees 20,000. It's a taxable. So income from agricultural land in Bangladesh, it's 20,000. Okay. Next third one is dividend from UTI rupees 4,000. It's an exempted. It's an exempted. Okay. And fourth point is he holds the following investments. They have given sub points. One is 1 lakh into 9% tax-free commercial certificates not listed. It's a taxable. Okay. So you should calculate. So 9% tax-free commercial securities. That is, in question they have mentioned 1 lakh into 9%. So how much you will get? 1 lakh into 9%, you will get 9,000. Okay. And based on this, you should calculate the format. You should deduct the TDS. That is 9,000 into 100 divided by 90. How will you get? 100 minus 10, you will get 90. And just calculate how much you will get. So 9,000 into 100 divided by 90, you will get 10,000. Write here 10,000. And next calculation is 7% debentures of JCT Limited, that is 30,000. So what you should do? You should calculate the percentage amount and you can write direct amount column. So 7% debenture, okay, of JCT Mills, that is limited. So 32,000 into 7%, how much you will get? 30,000 into 7%, you will get 2,100. 2,100. And the next question they has given 10% tax-free debenture of LIC. It's an exempted. They have mentioned LIC, so it will be an exempted. 10% tax-free debenture of LIC, because they mention LIC, so it will be an exempted. If they not mention LIC, you can calculate. Okay. Next, 10% UPI State Electricity Board bonds, that is rupees 10,000. Okay. So here 10% UP State Electricity Board bonds, that is 10,000 into 10%, you will get 1,000. Next question is interest on postal savings bank account rupees 1,000. It's an exempted. Interest on postal savings bank account, it is an exempted because it is less than 3,500. So it's an exempted. And next point is honorism received for writing articles in magazines rupees 1,000. It's a taxable. So honor receives for writing articles in magazines is 1,000. Okay. Next, last point is he is an examiner of a number of university. He receives 10,000 as remunerations. So it's a taxable. So examiner of a number of university, that is 10,000. Okay, and last we can calculate how much it is. So here 9,500, 20,000, 10,000, 2,100, 1,000, 10,000. You will get 51,800. 51,800. So this is the income from taxable income from other source. Taxable income from other source. The final answer you will get 51,800. Okay, this is new one. Okay, this you should get to know based on the format. Okay, one is income from subletting. So after that you will get rent, you will get municipal, then repairs, then you add, and after that you add this amount and minus it, you will get 9,500. So this part is very very important. Please noted it. Okay, and after doing everything, so taxable income from other source, you will get 51,800. Okay. Dr. Ashok, resident, is a professor of economics. He submits the following information and wants you to compute his income from other source for the year assessment year 2020 to 21. He is an author of the textbook and receives royalty of rupees 45,000. He claims the following deduction from his amount. Salary to clerk for gathering information for him to write the book rupees 5,000. Cost of book purchased rupees 1,000 for a reference work in order to write his book. Telephone expenses of rupees 800 in connections with painting and publications of the book. Income from articles published in Economic Times rupees 7,000. He lives in a rented house paying a rent of rupees 4,000 per month. He has sublet half portion of the house for rent of rupees 3,000 per month. Dr. Ashok pays the municipal tax rupees 4,000. He receives rupees 200 per lecture delivered as the Economic Institute. During the year, he has delivered 22 lectures. As an examiner of various universities, he received remuneration of rupees 5,000. His other incomes were winning from lotteries rupees 21,000 net and interest Government of England bonds rupees 3,000. Interest on post office accumulate time deposit rupees 1,000. Interest received on deposit with a firm rupees 5,400. So this is a question. Let's move to a problem. So problem number 8. So computation of taxable income from other source. Assessment year, previous year and assessment year, that is 2019 to 2020 and 2020 to 2021. Next one is accessee. Who is accessee? Dr. Ashok. And status is a resident. Okay. Particular and amount column. So he is an author of a textbook and receives royalty of rupees 45,000. He claims the following deduction of his amount. So the royalty royalty how much? 45,000. So write here received royalty, that is 45,000. And in question there is so much of deduction. In 45,000 what are the deduction? Let's see. Less deduction, that is salary to clerk how much? 5,000. Okay, that is salary to clerk is 5,000. Next one is cost of book is 1,000. Cost of books 1,000. Okay. Next one is telephone expenses 800. Telephone expenses 800. And this minus how much you will get? One is 4,500. 45,000 plus minus 500. 5,000 minus 1,000 minus 800, you will get 38,200. 38,200. Okay, so this is the answer you will get. Next one is income from articles published in Economic Times rupees 7,000. It's a taxable. So your income from articles published in Economics Times, that is 7,000. Next you will get subletted portion. Okay, he lives in a rented house paying in rent of rupees 4,000 per month. He has sublet half portions of house in the rent of rupees 3,000 per month. Daughter Ashok pays the municipal tax. The whole house is 4,000. In they have mentioned subletted portion and rent. Next one is municipal expenses. Okay. Based on that we can move to the problem. Yes. So income from subletting, that is 3,000, because in question they have mentioned 3,000 and per month they have mentioned. So how much you will get? 3,000 into 12, you will get 36,000. Right here 36,000. Next in question they have mentioned rent, isn't it? So rent paid, that is how much they have paid rent? That is 4,000. 4,000, that is per month. In that half of the portion, so 1/2. So how much you will get? 4,000 into 12 into 1/2, you will get 24,000. You write here 24,000. Next you have municipal tax. Municipal tax, that is 4,000 into 1/2. How much you will get? So 4,000 into 1/2, you will get 2,000. Okay, then just calculate how much you will get. You will minus it, isn't it? So from 36,000 minus 24,000 minus 2,000, you will get 10,000. Okay, you will get 10,000. Next one is, he received 200 per lecture delivered at the Economic Institute during the year 22 lectures. It's an exempted. You don't need to write off. Next, has an examiner of various university remunerations rupees 5,000. It's a taxable. So that is universities. He received remuneration rupees 5,000. Examiner. Next one is, his other incomes were like winning from lotteries 21,000, that is net, and interest on government England bonds, that is 3,000. It's a taxable. Okay. So what is it? Winning from lottery. That question is 21,000. Okay. Into 100, and it's 70 because casual income percentage, previous percentage 30, you will get 70. How much you will get? Answer, you will get 30,000. Next one is interest on government England bonds. Also it's a taxable. It's a 3,000. Directly you can write. Interest on government of England bonds is 3,000. Next, interest on post office cumulative time deposits less than, it's a exempted because it's less than 3,000, so it's a exempted, so no need to write off. Next one is interest received on deposit with the firm. It's a taxable. The amount value is 3,400 because the deposit form has been given in question. So interest received on deposit with a firm. In question, 5,400 into 100 divided by 90 because the deposit form. So 100%, so 10%, so you will get 90. So 100 minus 10, you will get 90. So how much you will get? 5,400 into 100 divided by 90, you will get 6,000. Right here 6,000. And let's total it. How much we will get? So 38,200 plus 7,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 6,000, you will get 99,200. 99,200. This is a taxable income from other source. The final answer after calculating everything, you will get 99,200. Okay. Ninth problem. Mr. Narayana submits the following particulars of income from other sources for the year ended 31st 3, 2020. Family pension from Government of Karnataka earlier rupees 42,000. Royalty from books written rupees 20,000. Expense incurred rupees 2,500. Remuneration from articles purchased in the magazines of rupees 2,000. Cash worth rupees 1 lakh was found in her private locker, the source of which could not be explained by her. Interest on fixed deposit in the bank rupees 15,000 gross. Rent from subletting a house rupees 1,500 per month. Rent paid to the owner rupees 1,000 per month. And repairs expense rupees 200. Winning from royalty net rupees 70,000. Purchase of lottery rupees 700. Winning from horse race rupees 35,000. Net. Compute her taxable income from other source. The assessment year is 2020 to 21. So let's solve the problem. 9. Problem 9. Computation of taxable income from other source. So previous year and the assessment year. So previous year is 2019 to 2020, 2020 to 2021, and the accessee is Mr. Narayana. And status is resident. Okay. Particular amount. So family pension from Government of Karnataka early 42,000. I have given the format of family pension, isn't it? First one is actual family pension received. Next, list of the following. In list of the following, that is 1 divided by 3 of family pension received. Next, maximum limit is 15,000. So that's the format, right? Okay, based on that format, we can solve the problems. Yes. So family pension from Government of Karnataka earlier rupees 42,000. So here actual family pension received. So here family pension from Government of Karnataka. Okay, that is 42,000. Okay. Next one is list of the following. List of the following. Okay. Point A. List of the following, that is 1 by 3 of actual family pension received. So 1 by 3 of actual 1 by 3 of actual family pension received. So that is 42,000 into 1 by 3. How much you will get? So 42,000 into 1 divided by 3, you will get 14,000. Okay, next point B. Maximum limit is 15,000. That is a permanent amount. Okay, so maximum limit is 15,000. And I told whichever is less, that value we should take, isn't it? So this amount is less. So 42,000 minus 15,000, how much you will get? 42,000 minus 14,000, you will get 28,000. Okay, so you will get last amount is 28,000. So this part is finished. Next one is royalty from book return 20,000, expense incurred rupees 2,500. So royalty amount, that is 20,000. Royalty from book return, that is 20,000. Okay, next less expenses, that is 2,500. 2,500, how much you will get? 20,000 minus 2,500, you will get 17,500. So 17,500. Next, remunerations of article published in magazines rupees 2,000. That is also taxable. Remuneration from articles published in a magazine is 2,000. Next, cash found in locker, that is 1 lakh. It's a taxable. So cash found in locker, that is 1 lakh. Next, interest on fixed deposit in a bank, it's a 15,000. It's a taxable. Interest on fixed deposit in a bank is 15,000. Next one is rent from subletting a house rupees 1,500 per month and rent paid to the owner rupees 1,000 per month and repair expenses 200. So subletting, they has given the rent subletting. Next one is rent paid by the members, that is 1,000, and repairs amount is 200. So we can calculate the subletting portions. Okay. So income from subletting, that is 50,000. Sorry, 5,500 into 12 months. They have mentioned per month. So 12 months. So 1,500 into 12. So 1,500 into 12. You will get 18,000. Just write 18,000. Next, rent paid. How much? 1,000 per month. So 12. Okay. So rent paid, that is 1,000 into 12. How much you will get? So 1,000 into 12, you will get 12,000. Okay. Next one is Repays, that is expense, is 200. So you add it, how much you will get? So 18,000 plus minus 12,000 minus 200, you will get 5,800. Next, winning from lottery, the amount is more than 70,000, so you should calculate TDS. Okay. So here, winning from lottery, it's more than 10,000. So you should calculate TDS. So what is it? 70,000 into 100 divided by 70 means 100 divided by 30. 30% how it comes? It's a casual income TDS percentage. So 70,000 into 100 divided by 70, you will get 1 lakh. Okay. Next one is winning from horse race, rupees 35,000. It's more than 10,000. So we should calculate TDS. So winning from horse race, that is 35,000 into 100 divided by 70. So your 100 minus 30, you get 70. So 35,000 into 100 divided by 70, you will get 50,000. And calculate this total amount. So 28,000 plus 17,500 plus 2,000 plus 1 lakh plus 15,000 plus 5,800 plus 1 lakh plus 50,000, you will get 31,83,000. So here taxable income from other source. Okay. So here the new problem is about family pension. You have the format, isn't it? So family pension ratio, that is less least of the following and 1/3 of family pension. Then maximum limit is 15,000. This is a format, and based on format we have calculated. Okay, we have calculated. This point is very important. And next, in royalty you have expenses, you should minus and you get this answer. Then based on the questions you will calculate, and final answer, that is taxable income from other source, final answer you will get 31,83,000. So from here the income from other source, the chapter name is income from other source, is completely finished. Theory as well as practical.